Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you how to search for added contacts in your GetResponse account. First, there are two main ways to search for contacts in GetResponse. The first one is to do a simple search, and the second way is to do an advanced search for your contacts. You can quickly find contacts by name or email when using simple search, where advanced search is used to find contacts using more specific criteria. For example, the subscription method used to add your contact, bounced emails, or by geolocation. To start searching your contacts, first open your GetResponse account dashboard. If you don't yet have a GetResponse account, make sure to check our video on how to create a free forever GetResponse account. I will leave a link to this video in the description below with the registration link to GetResponse. Now from the dashboard, click on Lists. A new page will open. You can do a simple search directly by typing the name or email of the contact into this search bar, or by clicking on this search tab and typing the search details in the search bar. To do an advanced search to your contacts, simply click Advanced Search. From here, you have the default advanced search criteria by expanding the following three menus. Lists, where you can search for contacts through a specific list you have. Autoresponder, where you can filter contact results by the ones receiving an autoresponder or not. And subscription time, which is used to filter contacts by the date they subscribe to an email list. You can narrow down your search much more by adding conditions to your search. GetResponse supports up to 8 conditions and condition groups, so you can make the search as narrow or as wide as you want. To add a new search condition, simply click on Add Condition. Start first by adding the first category from the following drop-down menu. And then, you can add even more search conditions from the following menus. For example, let's add a search condition by contact actions. Then choose Messages Not Opened. Apply the search to any message and set the date for this month. After that, we can add a new condition by clicking Add Another Condition if needed. And you can choose to match all or any of the following conditions from here. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to the channel and enable the notification bell to get notified with every new video. And if you have any questions, please leave your question in a comment below the video, and I will try my best to answer all of your questions. For more tutorials, check out the playlist with the link in the description below for step-by-step guides on how to use GetResponse. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.